Didn't you have bread at home? So do it for your snack. Start by adding some oil or butter into a frying pan. Spread it very well. Then add 2 slices of mozzarella. Place on the side of the other and wait until it begins to melt. When the mozzarella is like that, start covering with tapioca flour. Just add and spread with a spoon. Once that's done, just wait a few seconds and then add 2 slices of ham. With the help of a spatula, just unstick the edges to make it easier to fold. After folding, just turn to the other side and then fold in a half. Our tapioca snack is ready in the frying pan. Look how amazing it looks. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. This snack is quick, practical, and you can do it at any time to replace the bread. If you prefer, you can add more cheese. Replace ham with another filling and it will be delicious the same way. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time. And thanks for watching.